Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow profile privacy changes in Game Center on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Screen Time. Next, go down. From here, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap on Content Restrictions. From here, we scroll down and go down to the Game Center section and tap on Profile Privacy Changes. In here, you can choose between Allow or Don't Allow. So allow or don't allow changes to your profile privacy. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.